Okay, greetings and hello. And what I'm doing tonight is I am doing a training video so that I can show you what I need done as it relates to um, maintaining my blog, my niche blog, and posting on Facebook. So you can see my screen, and what I'm going to do is log onto my blog, which I will give you all of the passwords and everything so you can log into the blog. But my blog is a niche blog site, and it has to do with chocolate recipes. And the task that I want you to do is to curate content, which means find content, find recipes, chocolate recipes online, and I want you to post them on my blog. So I want to show you what the blog looks like. That's the dashboard. It's a WordPress blog. So this is what the blog looks like. So I just want to make sure that you can see it. Yeah, you can see it here. So this is what the blog looks like. I'm going to let it load up fully so you can see everything. And you see I have AdSense loaded up on the blog, and it's a pretty nice looking blog. It's not finished loading up, but I'm trying to get, and here it is now, completely loaded up. So as you can see, it has a nice spotlight video. It has some advertising up top. It has some thumbnails. So it's a quite nice looking blog. And basically what I'm seeking to do is, my ultimate goal is to get more traffic to this blog. But I want you to curate content so that I can post recipes. So if you look at some of these recipes, this one here, this chocolate cake recipe, is pretty popular. So if you look at it, you'll notice that in the recipe you have a picture of the recipe. It has the title, it has some AdSense on here, some ads, and then I'll show the ingredients and I'll show the directions, but I also show in the recipe the link with regards to where I curated the content, so where I got the content from. So now what I'm going to do is log into my Facebook account. And what I'm going to have to do with Facebook is you're going to have to send me a friend request. And I'm going to log out of this Facebook account that I have open here, because this is not the account that I use to this is not the account that has the fan page associated with it. So I'm going to log out of this fan page, and then I'm going to log into the fan page that has, or the account that has the fan page associated with it. So what you're going to have to do here is you're going to have to send me a friend request, and once you send me a friend request, I will have to make you an administrator to the fan page Chocolate Recipes Are Us. Okay? So it looks like something happened here. I don't know. Let me go and log into Facebook. So let me log in here. I don't know how I got to that page, but I'm logging into my Facebook account. So I don't know what happened here. Why it says sorry, that couldn't be processed. So I don't know what that was about. But I'm in my other Facebook account, and I'm going to go to my fan page. As soon as it loads up, my computer's been running a little slow. I don't know what that's about. But you can see I can click on here, which is my fan page, Chocolate Recipes. And I want to show you on this fan page what it actually looks like. So you see, this is the fan page. It's loading up. It's a little slow. I don't know why my computer has been running so slow lately. Maybe it's because where I am in the house. But anyway, keeps running some scripts. But anyway, as you can see on this fan page, I have certain pictures of recipes and I have my website link. So all I do is I put in the title of the recipe and I put my website, okay? But what I want to show you is, and as you can see, my ultimate goal here is to get the recipes. I want people to share the recipes because I want these posts to go viral. So if you look at this particular post, you see I have the title of what the recipe is, and I have the link to my website, and I have the picture. And then you see it got 3 shares. So I want to make sure that I'm constantly engaging with the people on my fan page. And as you can see, this one got 2 shares. So ultimately, what my main goal is to get these recipes shared. Now, when the web page fully loads up, so hopefully I can get it to fully load up, because for some reason my internet has been slow. And I've been getting scripts. And I've been getting a lot of this too, where my computer is not responding. So anyway, it looks like it's fully loaded now. So you can see, you know, right now I did a likes campaign, and I've been able to get people to like the page. So I'm really excited about that. It seems like every day more and more people are liking the page. But what I generally do is, if you see on this fan page where I like chocolate recipes, I get a lot of my recipes, actually my recipe ideas, from this fan page here. So I'm going to click over to this fan page, and you can probably find some other fan pages, or you could just do a Google search on chocolate recipes and you can find certain chocolate recipes. But as you can see, if you look here, this is a Nutella cheesecake recipe, which looks pretty good. And it got like 98 shares, but as you can see, this particular fan page has almost 400,000 people that like it. And ultimately, my goal is to get more people to like my page as well. But if you look at this one right here, look at this, a 5-ingredient chocolate peanut butter cup ice cream cake. And this particular recipe got 500 shares. So this is definitely one that I would like to mimic. So what I generally do is I'll go over to their website and I'll find out where they got the recipe, because usually they do the same thing. They curate content. As you can see, this is a real plain website, and they generally will list where they found the recipe. So I can just click on here and I go to the original website where they found the recipe. And then what I will generally do is I will copy it and I will upload it onto my website. Okay, so this is a 5-ingredient peanut butter ice cream cake. So as you can see, this is a really nice picture. And what I'm going to do is I normally get the snipping tool from Windows. What I do is I grab the snipping tool, as you can see right here, right? So I click on that, and it'll pop up, and then I press new, and then what I do is I just copy this and I save it onto my computer. So I'll save it. I click the save button, and I'll save it as chocolate peanut butter cake, ice cream, because that's what it is. So I'll save it on my computer, okay, and then I can close this. But then I go over to my website, my blog, which is Chocolate Recipes, and I'm all logged in. So what I will do is I'll create a post. Go over here to post. I go over to add new, because I'm about to add a new post. See, and I come over here to add new. My computer is running really slow, but we're just going to take my time and go through it. So I click add new. I just wait for it to load up. Okay, and so this is a chocolate peanut butter ice cake, ice cream cake. And so what I'll do is I'll make up something to say that's kind of, cool, but I also have a purpose, because you see this SEO check right here. I want to make sure that the post is search engine optimized. So I want people to be able to, if they want to look for peanut butter ice cream cake, I want them to be able to find it here. So I want to say, if I could write in this area, because it's, I don't know, my computer is acting funny. So while it's taking its time and trying to figure out whether it's going to let me type, what I'll do is I'll go into the search engine optimization area, which is Yoast SEO, and I'll type in here the keyword, which I make the title, chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake. And then I make sure in the meta description that I also include the keyword. So the keyword needs to be here, the keyword needs to be into the title, and the keyword needs to be in the meta description. And I'll say something like this: chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake will be loved by the entire family. Okay? So then I'll go up here in the body of the article, and I'll say this is one chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake that you will not want to miss. And I'll say get the full recipe here. Okay? And then I'll go to where the cake is, and I'll copy the URL, and then I'll go to my blog and I'll put the URL here. Okay. So I hit copy and I hit paste. So hopefully, let's see. Let me go back. So when I click on and highlight the whole URL, I press Control C to copy it. And then I go back to my blog and hit Control V, paste to get it here. And then one of the things I do is make sure that it's hyperlinked. And then I click open in a new window. And then I'll come down here and I'll say something like, this chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake has 5 ingredients. Check it out. Okay, and then one of the things I do is I make sure that I show a category. So I wanted to go into the chocolate cakes category, and then as a tag, I'll put the name, chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake, and I'll click add, and then I want to set the featured image. So that's something that you find at the bottom here. So I've already saved the image on my computer. So I just need to go over here to upload files. I click select and I find it on my computer, which is chocolate peanut butter. So I look under chocolate. Okay. Where is it? Chocolate. Wait. Pass. Chocolate. Computer. It's giving me problems. I don't want to go too fast. Let's see. Let's copy. I don't know why it does this sometimes. Let's see if I can get it. Chocolate. Where is it? Let's see. Banana Pops chocolate. Here we go. Okay. There we go. Chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake. Okay. So now it's loading up. And I click set as featured image. Now I am ready to publish. So I click publish, right? So it's publishing right now. It should be done any second. My computer is just running slow. So I can go to view post. Okay. And it should show me what this looks like. Okay. And now as you can see on my blog, it's showing the cake. It shows the link. And now what I want to do is I want to take and copy this link. So I hit Control C. And then what I'll do is I'll go over here to the blog, right? And I'll go to my blog, not to Chocolate Recipes 24/7, but I'll go over to my blog, which is Chocolate Recipes Are Us, right? I think right now I might be a little bit too far away from the router, which is causing my computer to run slow. So what I'll do now is I'll take and I'll upload the photo from my computer. right? Which is chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake, right? Find it. Okay, here it is. So I upload this picture, and then when it says say something about it, I just type in chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake. And then I put in my URL and I press publish. And now you have it. So now you have the recipe that I curated from another website, and you have the picture that I posted up here. You have the link to my website, and my website has the link to the actual article. So now you can see it fully up, right? And so all people have to do in the basic idea is that they'll come to this website and they'll see the other ads and they'll click on the other ads. But that's basically it. So it's a simple process. You find recipes, post them on my blog, which is here, then come to Facebook, post a picture of the recipes, the title of the recipes, and a link back to my blog. But you have to make sure when you're using my blog that you get this SEO keyword research to, you want to get it to at least yellow, but preferably you want to get it to green. So what that may mean is that you may need to put in the title, which you have as the keyword, more than one time in the post. So that may change it from yellow to green. But for the most part, that's pretty much it. That's exactly what I need you to do. And hopefully you find this video helpful and you find that this is something that you can do. And if it is something that you can do, then I'll give you the password, the username and password to my blog so you can curate the content on my blog, and I will ask you to send a friend request to me on Facebook, which my Facebook page here, I haven't created a vanity URL, so I'm going to have to email you this Facebook page, or basically you can become my friend, and what I will do then is make you an admin to my fan page, Chocolate Recipes Are Us, and then from there you'll be able to do the post on Facebook. So I hope that this made sense to you. Let me know if it doesn't.